How do project managers use configuration management for baselines? Imagine trying to build a complex puzzle without knowing what the finished picture looks like. That's why setting clear reference points, or baselines, is so important in project management. When managing project baselines, project managers relying on configuration management to keep everything organized and under control. First, project managers create a plan that explains how all key project pieces, like requirements, designs, and deliverables, will be identified, tracked, and controlled. This plan also assigns roles for approving changes and managing versions of documents. It's like setting the rules for how changes are handled throughout the project. Once the plan is in place, project managers establish baselines. These are formal snapshots of the project at specific points. For example, the functional baseline captures the approved requirements, the allocated baseline shows how work is assigned, and the product baseline records the final design. These serve as clear benchmarks to measure progress and performance. When it comes to making changes, configuration management helps keep everything aligned. Any proposed change must be evaluated against the current baseline. This means reviewing how the change impacts scope, schedule, and costs. Changes are documented, reviewed, and approved through a formal process, often involving a change control board. This process prevents unauthorized modifications and keeps the project on track. Configuration management also provides status accounting. This means tracking the history and current versions of all project documents and deliverables. It helps project managers see how the project has evolved from one baseline to another, making it easier to identify issues early. For example, if a design change occurs, the manager can see when it happened, what was changed, and who approved it. Regular audits and reviews are part of the process too. They verify that the project outputs match the baselines and that everyone is following the process. This consistency ensures that all team members work from the same approved documents, reducing errors and misunderstandings. In practical terms, project managers use configuration management for baselines to define stable reference points for scope, schedule, and costs. It helps control changes, document decisions, and keep stakeholders informed. By doing this, they can prevent scope creep, improve transparency, and ensure quality. It also makes communication smoother because everyone knows which version of a document is the current one. Mastering how to use configuration management for baselines gives project managers the tools to stay in control during project execution. It helps them manage changes effectively and keeps the project aligned with its goals. This approach increases the chances of delivering a successful project on time, within budget, and to the expected quality.